Here we have the Vandy Vape Jackaroo. It is supposedly dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof, but it's VapeWild proof. Today we are going to put the Jackaroo through its paces. Will it be a jack of all proofs, or will it get jacked up in the process? I don't know, but it's gonna be fun to find out. Ah! Smash! Still works. Still works. Still works. Woo! Still working. The sleeve inside the mod is all bent, but we're gonna. Still power's on. The screen still powers on, but the buttons aren't working. Help me! Oh. All right, so we just got this out of the river. Thanks, Bender. But yeah, it still dry as a bone on the inside, so that waterproofing is pretty swank. Holy crap! It's still powering up. All right, so the last test we're gonna do to see if it's fireproof. Also, don't do this at home. Yeah, fire. Oh, that's hot. It also stinks very, very badly. We're not gonna put the battery in for this last one because it's still hot and I don't want to explode. But the Vandy Vape Jackaroo definitely did take a beating. But if you want to know more information about the Vandy Vape Jackaroo, check out the link in the description down below. And as always, we thank you for watching and for checking out VapeWild's channel. Also check out these videos on the sides to see more of our fun content. And you guys, stay wild.